I am Khalid Senna, professor of structural engineering at Toronto Metropolitan University in Toronto, Canada. The International Conference on Civil, Structural and Transportation Engineering, as well as the International Symposium for Jointless and Sustainable Bridges, bring together researchers, academics, and industry professionals from all over the world to share ideas, exchange knowledge, and discuss recent advances in the field. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the local organizing committee, the technical committee, the plenary and the keynote speakers, the presenters, and participants on making this conference a great success. Thank you.
My name is Habib Tabatabai. I'm a professor of structural engineering at the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee, and I'm the director of the structural engineering lab at our university. This is a conference that I attended in conjunction with a symposium that is being held at this event as well. I'm very impressed with the quality of presentations performed to date, and our symposium is on topic of jointless bridges. I do research on jointless and other types of bridges and issues with bridges, and I'm glad to see several interesting papers on that topic here.
So my name is Ihab Al-Salakawi. I'm a professor of structural engineering at the University of Manitoba in Winnipeg, Canada. I came to this conference for the first time, and what I like to say here is about the diversity of the topics. So the conference is actually covering all areas of civil engineering. So this is my first day here, and I can say that I learned a lot about different topics like environmental engineering and transportation, other issues away from my structural engineering experience, which is a very good thing. Also, during the preparation for the conference, the communication was very good. I received very clear information about the expectation that I should see here. Mm-hmm. So I would say that my overall experience with this conference is really excellent. Also, first time to be in Barcelona. I visited many cities in Europe, like, I went to Paris, to Rome, to Zurich. Barcelona has a very unique nature about the weather, about the people, about many things. So overall, I'm very happy to be here and honored to be invited for this conference.
I'm Mohsen Issa, professor of structural and material engineering. I just came about 3 days ago to attend this conference. My affiliation mainly is in concrete bridges, structural in general, and concrete materials, and advanced composites. I do a lot of that working. I joined this conference as a keynote speaker, talking about jointless bridges, like integral abutment bridges, to eliminate all the troubles that we have in bridges, conventional bridges, corrosion, no joints, jointless bridges. That's what we call jointless. So I am very happy to be here. I attend some of the good presentations, also on jointless bridges, and one of on FRP. The speaker is from Canada. Very good conference that has a lot of things to talk about. So very good conference, very good people here, very good talks, very enjoyable talks. Most of the speakers are very good speakers, and talk a lot of things that in common to solve a lot of issues in the infrastructure research, in terms of structural and material. Also environmental. There's very good talk about environmental engineering. All these things is very nice, very interesting. Right. And also there are some talks right now after 3 o'clock, last session, on jointless bridges. I'm attending all those. That's the talk that I did this morning. I was the first speaker this morning.
Hello everyone, my name is Laura Teran. I'm a PhD student in chemical engineering at Toronto Metropolitan University, and I will present in the RTESE conference this year. This year, the conference is in Barcelona, which is the capital of architecture, and I feel so happy to be in the city and enjoy also the city. And in the conference, I'll present a little bit of my PhD research, where I'm working with Dr. Merbar, with Dr. Lecomte, and Dr. Quiñones. RTESE has been for me a really good opportunity to network and also to learn about the new trends in engineering and also in environmental engineering specifically. So I feel so good and so honored to be here. Thank you.
Hello, I am Elijah Rafael Mariari. I am from the Philippines, and the study that we are going to present is AI-driven cost and time management for construction. And mostly the topic that we are going to discuss is about how AI-enabled machine can help mitigate cost and time management in the construction industry. And my experience today in the conference is pretty unreal, since this is my first time, and it felt I have a deep connection with the engineering studies, especially in construction, structural and roadworks, since the topics that they were talking about was really related and could be used in the Philippines for further studies and experiences. And that's the wrap for my first day, and I really like it, and I'm hoping to learn more in the next coming days.
Hello, I'm Paula Alvarez-Espino, and I'm with the University of Alabama at Birmingham, and I'm going to be presenting on the impact of the built environment on health and an intervention that we have done with the civil engineering department trying to improve the community health surrounding the university. But I've really enjoyed the conference so far. This is the third day, so I'm presenting on the last day. It's been very nice to learn from so many different experts in the field and learning about different disciplines within civil engineering and new emerging trends. I've met a lot of very interesting people, so I really enjoy my time here. And also Barcelona is beautiful. I'm a bit biased because I'm originally from Spain, so it's been nice to be able to come back home to present at the conference.
Hello, my name is Alham Zari. I'm Associate Professor at ISJSB Paris at Construction Research Institute. My background is informatic, focused on biometrics modeling. During the last few years, I tried to bring that computational perspective into built environments, such as smart building, smart city, IoT, and recently I'm working on digital twins and NLP systems applied on B. I would like to say this is a very good conference with great sessions, interesting topics and presentations. Also interesting conversation during break time. And I think I'm leaving with new ideas, new contacts, which is not the case for all the conferences. So thank you very much for organizers.
Hi everybody, I am Merita Custo, part of Faculty of Civil Engineering Tirana and a PhD student too. So it's a great opportunity and a great experience here in the conference to meet other researchers from all around the world and to learn about new technologies and developments of civil engineering, and also to present my work. So my presentation is about LiDAR data and scan-to-BIM workflows with or for developments of the existing structures. Thank you for the opportunity.
Hello, hola. So I'm attending the 11th International Conference on Civil, Structural and Transportation Engineering here in Barcelona, Spain. It is still a very lovely experience. All our questions were answered through email, very friendly. They accommodated our requests. And here, the presentations, I learned a lot. I learned that a lot of countries are developing some resources that we can also utilize or adopt in the Philippines, from where from, De La Salle University, Philippines. And I hope that more people will join, more papers will be present next year for all these conferences, and hope to see you in the future.